Well, good morning everyone. So we just rented our Home Depot truck and we finally got the John Deere.
I have to wash
Yeah, you do have to wash it.
it. Okay, John, you want to start it?
Yeah, sure.
I hope I know how to start it. So let me clean it.
Okay, so now that the tractor is on the grass and away from the street, and there's no one here, I thought I should give you a little close-up look around it, start it up, and then show the engine. Okay, so as you probably saw in my video a couple days ago, we were looking at a John Deere D100. This is one of the two models that we saw and we picked. We took the one that had the least amount of scratches. So this is a brand new one. So so in the summer, this tractor was priced at around $1,800. So now that we're in August, the prices slashed down considerably. So we ended up paying $1,175, plus Quebec has sales taxes, 15.5% tax, so that amounts to $1,350, which isn't a bad deal. So this tractor is going to replace our old Turf Power 12 horsepower 38-inch deck. It's starting to get old and tired up, so my father wanted a brand new tractor. He deserves it. So I don't really use this tractor for any of my lawn care service because most of my clients have backyard gates much more smaller than this. So I'm just dreading to see if this tractor will fit in there. That's the only reason why I don't buy lawn tractors. I prefer push mowers, and I think I like push mowers better because it gives you some exercise. Okay, so let's have a look around. This one here is a 42-inch deck. It's got two blades, 42 inches, so two 21-inch blades. You have here, you can put a hose on it to wash it when the blades are engaged. You have 13 settings of height changes, all at a 1/4 inch increments, from as low as 1 inch to much as high as 4 inches. It's got a seat, looks to be a vinyl seat. You have your parking brake, your Rio, which I have to understand. I think that's basically you're going to in reverse with the blade on, so you can just press this button. I'm not sure if that is it. You have your throttle system, steering wheel of course, the gas tank. Just lift up the seat and put your gas in here. So we have around, I would say, a good 4 liters. It's a 5-speed automatic transmission with reverse and neutral. Cup holders, which is awesome. Deflection chute. Now let's go have a look at the motor. This one here is a 500cc 17.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. Overhead valve, as you probably see over here, OHV. So we have the model here. Has a compliance of 250 hours. So yeah, March 2012, so it's a pretty young motor. Sorry for the wind noise, guys. You have your starter motor, a 12 volt battery. Very nice machine. Certainly a big improvement over the 12 horsepower. You got the headlights here. It tells you the part numbers, what you get for the blades, the fuel filters. Yeah, here's your oil filter. Fuel lines, fuel filter. Okay, so now over here going to this side, you have your gas gauge to tell you if it's empty or full. You just look at it. So on the tractor you have shows you how to start it, where to be, and what I think it's pretty cool is that you have both an hour meter as well as the oil engine life, and it tells you when to service your tractor. You have the blades to engage it. You just push it upwards, push it downwards. It's to engage it. I'm not going to move it around yet, so I'll just go ahead and start it up. So make sure that your parking brake is on the lock position. Pressing down will disengage it. Hold the brake. Just up the throttle. Put it on. There we go. Pretty fast, man. Very, very cool. So, next time I go to the country house, which will probably be in about 2 weeks' time, I'll definitely film it for you guys to watch. Anyways, enjoy.